I stand before you today not as someone who has all the answers, but as someone who has walked the path of struggle, doubt, and fear. Yet it is through these trials that I discovered the immense power that resides within each of us, a power so great that it can change our lives and the world around us. As Nelson Mandela once said, it always seems impossible unless it is done. This is the truth that will carry you through your darkest hours. The belief that no matter how impossible something may seem, within you lies the power to make it happen. The power of persistence. Every great success story begins with the refusal to give up. Think of Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. His story is not just about invention, it is about the power of persistence. In his own words, I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that would not work. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embracing failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of it. Steve Jobs, who was fired from his own company, Apple, later returned to revolutionize the tech industry. His journey teaches us that failure is a stepping stone to greatness. Do not be afraid to fail, be afraid of not trying. Believing in yourself. Oprah Winfrey, who grew up in the poverty and faced numerous challenges, became one of the most influential figures in the world. Her secret, unwavering self-belief. She once said, "You become what you believe." The belief in your potential is the most powerful tool you possess. The impact of vision. Martin Luther King Jr. had a vision of equality and justice. His famous words, "I have a dream," were not just a call to action, but a testament to the power of vision. When you have a clear vision, nothing can stand in your way. It will guide you, inspire you, and give you the strength to persevere. We all have moments of doubt, moments when we question our path, our worth, and our purpose. But remember this, the darkest night produce the brightest stars. In the depths of your struggle, you will find your greatest strength. When you are on the brink of giving up, that is when you must dig deep and push forward. I challenge you to look within yourself and recognize the incredible potential that lies there. Embrace the challenges, welcome the failure, and never lose sight of your vision. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Your journey will inspire others. Your courage will ignite change. In the end, it is not the years in your life that count, it is the life in your years. So live boldly, dream big, and let your actions speak louder than your fears. The world is waiting for the greatness that is within you. Unleash it. As Winston Churchill famously said, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. So keep moving forward and remember, the power to change your life is within you. In the depths of night, when all dreamers seem lost, rise, for Nadim knows the dawn comes at any cost. With every fall, there is a chance to stand tall. In the echoes of defeat, Nadim hears victory's call. Thank you very much for watching my video. You guys are amazing.